Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable pop-up on keypress on Google Keyboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application and find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap On-Screen Keyboard. Step 4. Now, locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, find the Preferences option and tap on it. Scroll down and locate the Pop-up on Keypress option. Unfortunately, this option is turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap the pop-up on keypress option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.